May God watch over his family, and may God bless the United States of America. Thank you.
Yeah, a lot to think about in that message from the White House there, Dave. And we're gonna leave this show pondering what we just heard, what we've seen throughout this day. Dave, thank you so much for being with us. Where our country goes next, we shall see. For now, prayers also go out to Charlie Kirk's family, his wife, his 2 young kids, and the victims of hate and violence all across this country. I'm Gadi Schwartz. Special coverage of this developing story continues.